Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the camera tracking in CapCut. Let's get started. First, select your clip, then in the video, basic settings, scroll down to camera tracking. Select it, and then you can choose if you want to track the face, body, hand, or a custom object in your video. First, let's see how the face tracking looks. Select the face. As you can see, CapCut selected the face, and then press start. And as you can see, his face is tracked and it's in the middle of the screen. I can turn down or turn up the shake. I recommend keeping it in the middle or to something lower. I can also select fit to canvas, so it makes sure that the video never goes out of canvas, because as you can see here, it does go out of canvas. And if I unselect blur canvas, you can see how much it goes over the canvas. So if I press fit to canvas, it makes sure that it never bleeds over. You can also lock object size, so his face is always the same size. Now let's track his body, and as you can see, our video is now being tracked by his body. And again, you can play around with the shake, fit to canvas, lock object size, or blur canvas. You can also track a hand, and as you can see, CapCut is giving us an option of which hand we want to track. Let's track the right hand. And as you can see, the video is tracking his hand. And again, you can adjust the shake, fit to canvas, lock object size, or blur the canvas. Now, the custom one lets us track the video to a random object. To show you how it looks, I'll show you an example on a moving car. When I apply the tracking, as you can see, the camera is now following the car. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.